everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about 3 important things in taxation: how to register for a tax identification number or NPWP, what we call a tax subject, and what a tax object actually means. I'll try to explain this in a simple way, so it's easy to understand. Let's start with NPWP registration.
NPWP stands for Nomor Pokok Wajib Pajak, or Tax Identification Number in English.
Basically, it's like your ID card in the tax system. Every person or business that earns income in Indonesia needs to have one. The process of getting an NPWP is actually not complicated. You can register in 2 ways, offline and online. If you go offline, you can visit the nearest tax office, fill out the form, and bring your ID card and other required documents. But nowadays, most people prefer to register online through the official website of the Directorate General of Taxes. You just create an account, fill out your personal data, upload the required files, and submit. After that, your NPWP will be sent to your email or address. So it's quite simple, and it's an important step because without an NPWP, you can't fulfill your tax obligations properly, and sometimes it's also required for things like job applications, business permits, or even opening a bank account. Now, moving on to the next concept: tax subjects. So, who are tax subjects? In simple terms, tax subjects are the people or entities that are required to pay taxes. This includes individuals like you and me, and also organizations such as companies, partnerships, or institutions. In Indonesia's tax system, there are both domestic and foreign tax subjects. A domestic tax subject means a person or company that lives or operates mainly in Indonesia, while a foreign tax subject refers to someone or a business from outside Indonesia but earns income from within the country. So, the idea is simple: if you earn income here, you are tax subject. Lastly, let's talk about tax objects. If tax subjects are who pays the tax, then tax objects are what is being taxed. In other words, a tax object is the source of income or the economic activity that causes someone to be taxed. For example, salary, rent, business profits, interest, or dividends. These are all tax objects because they generate income. It's like this: if you earn money from your job, that salary becomes a tax object. If your company earns profit, that profit is also a tax object. So to make it clear, here's a simple way to remember. Tax subject equals the person or entity who pays the tax. Tax object equals the thing or income that is being taxed. NPWP equals the identification number used to manage those taxes.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Everyone's talking about taxes, but not many know how simple it is to register. Stick with me and you'll have your NPWP before your coffee gets cold. NPWP stands for Nomor Pokok Wajib Pajak, your tax ID in Indonesia. Think of it as your official pass to pay taxes and claim deductions. Who is a tax subject? Individuals who earn income, business owners, companies. The tax object is what gets taxed: income, sales of goods and services, property, certain transactions. How to register? Step 1. KTP for individuals, business documents for companies, an email. Step 2. Go to the official DJP online site, pajak.go.id, or visit your local KPP. Step 3. Create an account. Fill the e-registration form. Upload scanned documents, submit. You'll get your NPWP number by email or a printed card from KPP. Quick tips. Use the official site, only double-check your data. Keep a copy of your NPWP handy. Ready? Head to pajak.go.id and register today. Your future self will thank you.